Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be telling you how you can earn from this site here. So if you want to know how to earn from this site, just need to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos and on your notification button. So let's go. So in this site, you just need to play game and earn money and claim Satoshi every 15 minutes, claim free Bitcoin every 15 minutes, and so on. So first, we just need to claim our first Bitcoin. You come here, what? You click here. So the time is counting. You see free reward 1 to 15, 1 to 5 Satoshi every 15 minutes. So when you come up here, so my time is still counting. It means 0.09 minutes. So it means what? So let's claim our rewards. Get rewards. So you have to what? Write this in words. 7 plus 3 is what? 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 10. So you just press what? Claim reward. So when you click on claim reward, can you see you just earn another what? 3 Satoshi again. Wow. So my balance is now what? 6 Satoshi. So in this 6 Satoshi, what you have to do is what? Claim to earn more. So I'm going to be telling you the trick of playing this game to earn more Satoshi more. When you do what? High-low game means what? Is it going up or down? So this is it here. I have 6 Satoshi in my balance. So you have to predict what is going to happen in this 0 box. Maybe it's going up or down. Let's choose high. So you think should go high. Can you see it go high with 1? 7. My money increased. So if it's low, you want to pick, you have to pick low because it's a game. You can also win or lose. So that's all about this site. And what? See, the more people win and the more see it less than 1 minute ago. So just win is old. Less than 1 minute ago. Less than 1 minute ago. So the more you keep betting, the more your money goes to be increasing for you. So if you pick low now, you may win or lose. Can you see we win it again? Can you see that? We win it again. So that's what? 8. Can you see? It's very easy, and this site is what? Paying you in what? So we'll come to dashboard. Can you see my Bitcoin is what? 8 Bitcoin. So when we come up now, withdraw your money. So the minimum is what? 300 Satoshi before you can withdraw your money. 300 Satoshi. That's what you just need to withdraw your money. And what? I'll put in my referral link in the comment section. So you just click on it to earn more. So that's all about this site. It's very easy. So wow, and they call what? Share. So this share here means I have it what? Satoshi is my balance. So I can save it. If I save it, I'll be getting what? 0.7% per day. 0.7% per day added to my balance. So I can just leave it and come back, check it. I can see it in what? 10 to or 20 Satoshi in a day. So that's it. So we'll come to what? Offer word here. Okay, anything offer word, you are coming to be at least 5 days before what? You can what? Open this offer word here. You are coming to go at least 5 days before you can open this offer word. And this word we call what? So this one here is what? The game also. So you have to what? Buy tickets. So when you buy tickets, you have to gain percent per ticket to both. So we just do what? Buy tickets. So I've purchased 1 ticket now. So I can purchase another one. So that's 2 tickets weekly. I'll be earning what? 27% of my. So just keep buying the tickets. So when you buy tickets, what? You see your money is going to be added for you. So that's it. So I prefer you should what? Use your money to buy tickets instead of you playing. Just what? Buy tickets. Just buy what? At least 8 tickets with your money, with your earnings. So that's it. So my earnings has finished. So every 15 minutes you have to wait and come another one, come and use it to buy tickets. But I see some people are even buying more tickets. This one have was not that TV. So can you see it? So thanks for watching.